Welcome to this week's video. We are on our spelling video. We're doing Unit 3, Week 2. So I hope you're ready for this. All right. So remember, we are starting. You need to have your zip top bag. And I know some of you are not actually cutting these words out. You're just writing them out. But you need to cut them out every week that we do this. You may not see the rewards of this, but let me tell you, I do as a teacher. And so make sure that you're doing this the way that we're showing you so that you can be a better speller. And that's what we want you to be, is a better reader, a better speller, a better writer. And we're doing it for you, okay? So make sure you have your zip top bag so you can put these in them later. Make sure you have your scissors, so that you can cut your words out. Make sure that you cut your words out. And you need to have your pencil. And then don't forget your notebook. And, of course, this week's spelling words. So last week we did some open syllable words. And that's kind of what we're going to do this week. Well, not kind of. We are going to do it this week. So let's cut them out first, because that's what you need to do. So I like to cut them along the bottom. And you can have these cut out before I do, or you can cut them along with me. Just please make sure you're cutting them out. That will make sure that you are doing your lay and say, and it will help you. I'll tell you, it will help you. And we will see it in your writing in class. So please, and actually everybody will see it in your writing, because most people do get to see your writing, and writing is a big part of communication. So that's what we want you to do. All right, so we're doing some open syllables. So I'm going to cut these two off on the top up here, and I'm just going to put those up because that's what we're doing. And then I'm going to cut all the rest of these. I like to stick these all in a line and do some cutting. You'll notice a couple things, though, as we are cutting through these, is that you're going to notice that we're doing a open syllable, but it's going to be a little different than last week. This week, we're doing a vowel syllable. That means there are two vowels in the syllable. Boom! Did you see how fast I did that? You saw that, how fast I cut that out, didn't you? All right. All right, so what we have here now is I need you to take these words and I need you to spread them out. Spread them out, spread them out, spread them out. All over the place. And I need you to do this because you need to be able to see it. This is part of the video. I want you to follow along with it. I want you to see them. I want you to get an idea of them. I don't want you to just leave them in the paper, all right? I want you to actually cut them out and spread them out a little bit. It doesn't take very long to do this, all right? Well, it'll take probably about 13 minutes. That's all on the video is going to be, something like that. All right, so we're doing open syllables, so let's write that out. Open syllable, and then in parentheses we're going to put vowel / vowel. So the syllable is actually going to come in between the two vowels this time, which is interesting because that's not always the way it is. And let me remind you what a syllable is. A syllable is when we do the clapping. Open, open. So when we do open, O-pen. There's actually, and there's a little trick. Shh, don't tell anybody. Well, you can if you want to. But every syllable has a vowel in it. O-pen, O-pen. Sill, S-Y, the Y is actually a vowel in this one. Sill, la, that would be the vowel. Bulls, there's the vowel. So wherever there is a syllable, there's going to be a vowel. And this is getting interesting because whenever it's not every vowel, because what you need to know is that on a word like read, there's one clap, one syllable, but there's two vowels. It's because they take on the same sound, E, and that makes them read. Okay? But ours is going to be a little bit different this time. We do have an oddball or a couple in here, so I need you to write that down on the side. Okay? And let's set that up on the side up here. Now this one's going to be a tricky one this year, this week, because I'm going to make you do some writing. I'm going to make you do some of this stuff on your own, which is going to be interesting because some of you don't like to watch the whole video. And so I hope you're going to do it this time and follow the directions at the end. We'll find out if you do, all right? Poet. We're going to start with poet. And what we're going to do is I cut off a few little of these and put them on the side. So we can do O, E, and then put a line through it, because that's where the syllable is going to divide. So that's O-E. So on here, we're going to do O-E and underline it. So let's do poet. Poet. There's the two vowels. There is where it divides for poet. 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 Okay? All right. So I'm hoping you're seeing this so far. So let's do another one. All right? Let's do diet. So we're going to do an I/E and underline. And so I've got another piece of paper here that I'm going to do an I/E, and that will be my exemplar when I do my lay and says for the rest of the week. Okay? Diet. Diet. There's my two vowels, and that's where it is. So my open syllables, but this time my syllable on each side, there is a vowel, and that's where it divides, is in that vowel, in between those two vowels. All right? Okay, let's see what else I've got here. Let's do this one. Sit to a shun. So we've got a U and an A. That's our double vowel. Double vowel. So we're going to do a U/A, underline it. And there's my U/A for my exemplar for this week on that one. Okay, so let's write that one down. Sit a shun. Situation. Situation. 4 syllables. We underline that. Sit to a shun. Vowel, 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 vowels. There's 2 vowels there, but we don't separate them because it's one sound. Shun. It's got the sound, which is weird with an I and an O. We have such an interesting language in the way of spelling. But I need you to understand that this is where the syllables are, where those vowels are. Situation. We're doing the double vowel, so that's what. So when we do a double vowel, we got to decide, is it going to make a sound or not? Okay? Let's do this one. Oh, we got a U and an E. Double vowel, U-E. U-E. Oh, you know what? I think, E. I'm going to move down probably about 3 or 4 lines. Because when I set you out on your own with all these, you're going to have to find all of the double vowels and put them under the right place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go down 5 lines. And let's do a U/E underline. And now I don't have enough. Where did I put that extra paper? It's somewhere around here. I know it is. Oh, there it is. It's right there. So I'll take this one. I'll grab my scissors, because it's this big one, and I'll cut it. And then I will make a U and an E for my exemplar. U/E. Ooh-ee, 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 ooh-ah-ah. Bing, bang, walla, walla, bing, bang. Something like that. All right. Cruel. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. Cruel. Double vowel. Slash through the middle. Cruel. Interesting. Interesting. So this is what I want you to do. This is what this whole syllable thing is about. There's an open syllable, means that the syllable ends in a vowel. The syllable ends in a vowel. Po, die, si, cru. Those are open vowels. And it's followed by a syllable that starts with a vowel. That's what this is. Po, po or die, sit, okay? So make sure you understand that. The open syllable with the VV pattern, you need to know that these two make their own sounds when they're in there. That's why we do the clapping. That's why we do the syllables. It's going to help us understand a little bit more about that. Okay? Got it? Everybody understand that? All right. So, this is what I need you to finish. I've started this here, and so what I need you to do is I need you to finish all the rest of your words. Every time there is a double vowel, I need you to create a new exemplar. O-E, I-E, U-A, U-E, and you keep on going until you get all of them. If you find one, if there's another O-E out there, then you put it underneath poet. If there's another I-E, you put it under diet. If there's another U-A, you put it under here. And for example, if I find a word like rodeos, I'm going to put double vowel. Does that go under here? That's what you need to find out. Is it under there? Is that where it goes? Yes? No? If there are not a double vowel, they go into the odd ball. So, everybody understand kind of what you need to do? Well, let's do this one. Fuel. O-E? No. I-E? No. U-A? No. U-E? Yes. Fuel. There. Underline that. U-E. Fuel. 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 We've got those syllables. Vowel, 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 vowel. There's got to be a vowel. Wherever there is a syllable, there is a vowel. That's what you need to understand. All right. Get these words done. Get them all done. Get them turned in. Don't forget. Get this all done. I figure there's probably going to be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 exemplars. Good luck. All right? Okay. Have a good night. See ya.